If you are confused about how to reset your Windows 11 computer without losing your data, this video will help you. I will show you the exact steps to reset your PC safely and explain which options you should choose. Let us begin. First, open Windows Settings by clicking on the Start menu and choosing the Settings icon, or simply press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. Once the Settings window opens, go to System, then click on Recovery on the left side. Here you will see an option called Reset this PC. Click the button that says Reset PC. Now a window will appear with two choices. One says Keep My Files and the other says Remove Everything. If you choose Keep My Files, Windows will remove all your installed apps and reset your settings, but your personal files like photos, documents, and downloads will stay safe. If you select Remove Everything, it will delete all files and settings and give you a completely fresh system. Since we want to reset Windows without losing data, choose Keep My Files. Next, you will see two more options. One is Cloud Download and the other is Local Reinstall. If you have a good internet connection, choose Cloud Download. It will download the latest version of Windows from Microsoft servers and use about 4 gigabytes of data. This option gives you a cleaner and more updated installation. If your internet connection is slow or limited, choose Local Reinstall. It will use files already stored on your computer, usually on the C drive, to reinstall Windows. After selecting your option, click Next. A summary screen will show what will happen. It will mention that apps and settings will be removed, but your personal files will be kept. If you had chosen Remove Everything, you would see more options like cleaning the drive or choosing which drives to reset. Those are mainly for when you're selling or giving away your computer, so do not turn them on if you are keeping it. Now, click Reset to start the process. Your computer will restart several times while it reinstalls Windows. The reset can take from 30 minutes to about an hour, depending on your system and internet speed. When it finishes, you will see the Windows setup screen, just like when your computer was new. Your C drive will have a fresh installation, but all your personal files on other drives will still be safe. Your computer will now run faster and smoother, just like a brand new system. You can reinstall your apps and adjust your settings again. And that is how you reset your Windows 11 computer without losing your data. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.